Welcome to Nice on the Côte d'Azur. I'm with my daughter Nina again. Nina did an unboxing with me in August. Many of you wrote and said that you enjoyed seeing us unboxing together. So kindly, Nina accepted to do this with me again. The theme of this box is soirée élégante, an elegant soirée, and we wanted to do this with the backdrop of the city of Nice behind us with the setting sun. The city will begin to twinkle with lights while we're unboxing, but there is a lot of wind, so you're going to have to forgive our wind-blown hair. So, Nina, do you want to start? Bear with us. Nina, do you want to start unboxing?
Yes, this will be very exciting edition. Okay, wow. So we got the magazine again.
Do you remember that you have this option of putting a magazine in your box if you want to? It's a good thing, it's a good idea to do because you get the magazine without the additional shipping costs. So there we are. This is our beautiful new November-December editions.
Let's just show it like that. A lot like Christmas. Yes. Wow, I'm really drawn to this immediately. So it looks like
Jewellery.
yeah.
Of course she's
I
drawn to
hope
the
it was
jewellery.
that. Okay, wow, that is so pretty. Beautiful little
These
earrings.
This is a pair of gold-plated earrings by a French designer called Louise Dama. It's the first time we've worked with them.
Box.
We're very pretty box, very pretty earrings. They're sort of timeless. Dress up, dress down with these, but certainly useful for an evening out.
Yeah, these are the like essential little golden hoops, like
Exactly,
so
golden
pretty.
hoops with an ornate edge to them.
So pretty. Yay. So that's one. Then what do we have here? Yolène Les Nudes. This I am drawn to also.
Open up the box and see what that is.
Cute little sticks,
Lipsticks, lip liners, and you may, in your box, you may find this nude edition or you may find the red edition. They're lovely,
red for the holiday.
red for the holidays, lovely crayons, beautiful quality. We love working with Yolène. It's not the first time we've worked with them. And if you got one and you'd like the other one as well, don't forget these products are always on our boutique.
Okay, that's exciting.
Yes.
To know that it's always on the boutique. I feel like I'm gonna ask you. Okay, what do we have next? We have this little wrapped paper up. Okay. Oh, how pretty! Little leather, superb little leather case, like little wallet.
Just a little purse wallet. There are 3 different colours in our boxes. You may have this colour, you may have a deeper taupe colour, you may have a deeper sort of burnt yellow colour.
So pretty.
But they're just
So you have 3 little compartments to put away.
absolutely
Coins,
actually
lip liners.
they're actually made in Italy. These ones.
Okay. So this looks like caviar.
It does look like caviar. Show the box. It looks like caviar. It's not actually caviar. It's the brand.
It's even better.
It's the brand Maxims. You'll either have this round box, or you may have the
Eiffel Tower.
the mini Eiffel Tower box
So cute.
from Maxims, which is a very well-known old restaurant in Paris. And inside you've got some little tiny chocolate
milk
pearls
chocolate pearls. I mean,
to scatter on your Christmas table,
It's
or just
very
eat
pretty.
quickly while you read your magazine.
then what do we have here? This gorgeous black box that matches my outfit. So what do we have in here?
So this is our antique item.
Oh,
And for our antique item, we are giving you 2 antique liqueur
it's
glasses.
so precious.
Perfect.
Use,
If you follow me, you often see me using these antique glasses on a table. You and I have done a table together where we put them down the table with individual flowers in. They could be on a dinner table. They could also just be on a dressing table, even on an office. Sorry, we're about to blow away here. Even on on a desk, not an office, a desk. There we are, with glasses.
Or just to have a drink. I mean, it's just the end of the year. You need to celebrate.
So then, such pretty little bushes here.
This brand, Goodie, is like so precious.
Well, you've been to see their store.
Most beautiful store in Saint-Paul-de-Vence and on the Riviera.
These people are called Maison Goodie, and we've worked with them for their body cream. You may have the white bottle, you may have the deep raspberry bottle. This gorgeous, gorgeous
Ooh.
deep turquoise colour,
Mediterranean blue, kind of.
or more of a darker blue. They smell wonderful. They're very good quality products, and in the same models on our boutique, we also have the shower gel and the hand cream available if you would like to create a set for yourselves.
Which I strongly recommend. Anything in that shop is just an essential. Wow.
Heavy.
Yeah, this really looks exciting and warm. Would it be a scarf or a shawl? Ooh, this is very soft.
Sorry, I'm just putting
Beautiful.
the paper away before it blows.
Beautiful shawl.
So it's actually a complete cape. You can put it round your
really?
shoulders.
Oh wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
There.
This wins. This is what I need. Yay. Beautiful. And do you have one or a few
So
colours?
we've got either that colour, or thank you, Nina, for the prompt. We've got either that colour, or this deep gold colour, or a more of a taupe colour, which
Ooh.
is lined with a paler beige.
So soft.
They are very soft, and the taupe is lined with. The gold is lined with the beige as well. There we are. There is. That is our soirée élégante box.
Okay, pretty suits you. I have to say, it's lovely. It's
With
lovely.
high boots or things like that.
Yep. Even a belt around it.
Yeah. So pretty. Well done.
Thank you for purchasing the box. Thank you for continuing to support what we do here at my French country home. I'm going to film a little bit more for you of this beautiful setting sun over the city of Nice. Thank you, Nina, for doing
My
the
pleasure.
For doing
Very
the unboxing
exciting.
with me. I'll try and get her down for the February box as well. We've got a lot of exciting stuff lined up for the 2024 boxes. They're already in full motion. Lots of goods already arriving for us. Thank you so much. So much happening. We hope you have a lovely holiday season, and thank you for your support to my French country home.
Yay. Thank you. Bye.